What's up, YouTubes? Michael Steinmetz here. Today we're going to start up with all these entire collections of classic Doctor Who on VHS. And look at how much all of my Doctor Who VHS's collections I've been grown. And I just completed all sorts of those VHS's of Doctor Who. Let's get started. Here we got the Crusade in the Space Museum and the Ice Warriors. The Hartnell years, the Troughton years, the Pertwee years, the Tom Baker years, Daleks the early years, Cybermen the early years, the Colin Baker years, Canine and Company, More Than 30 Years in the TARDIS, An Unearthling Child, the Daleks with the Dead Planet and the Expeditions, and the Edge of Destruction and the Doctor Who pilot episode, the Keys of Marinus, the Aztecs, the Sinserites, the Reign of Terror, Planet of Giants, the Dalek Invasion of Earth, the Rescue in the Romans, the Web Planet. Moving on to the next one. Here's Daleks the Early Years, contains the Chase and Remembrance of the Daleks, the Time Meddler, the Ark, the Gunfighters, the War Machines, the 10th Planet, then to the Patrick Troughton, the Tomb of the Cybermen, the Dominators, the Mind Robber, the Invasion, the Crotons, the Seeds of Death, and War Games. And moving on to John Pertwee. Spearhead from Space, Doctor Who and the Silurians, the Ambassadors of Death, Inferno, Terror of the Autons, Mind of Evil, the Claws of Axos, Colony in Space. Moving on to the next row. The Daemons, the Day of the Daleks, the Curse of Peladon, the Sea Devils, the Mutants, the Time Monster, the Three Doctors, Carnival of Monsters, Frontier in Space, Planet of the Daleks, the Green Death, the Time Warrior, Invasion of the Dinosaurs, Death to the Daleks, the Monster of Peladon, and Planet of the Spiders. Moving on to Tom Baker's VHS. Robot, the Ark in Space, the Sontaran Experiment and the Genesis of the Daleks, Revenge of the Cybermen, and Terror of the Zygons. Moving on to the next row. Planet of Evil, Pyramids of Mars, the Android Invasion, the Brain of Morbius, the Brain of Morbius Collector's Edition, the Seeds of Doom, The Mask of Mandragora, The Hand of Fear, The Deadly Assassin, The Face of Evil, The Robots of Death, The Talons of Wei Chang, Horror of Fang Rock, The Invisible Enemy, The Image of Andal, The Sun Makers, Underworld, The Invasion of Time, The Reboats Operation, The Pirate Planet, The Stones of Blood, The Androids of Tara, The Power of Kroll, The Armageddon Factor, Destiny of Daleks, and The City of Death. Now, I'm going to move on to part 2 of the VHS collections of Doctor Who, so I'll be right back.